Yes, welcome to my channel, Crypto with Kabaka TIMO. And it's 2023. AI is taking over. Artificial intelligence is taking over. And if you're a student, you're a content creator, you're a copywriter, you have to try out this software. It's called ChatGPT. It's a new software. It's an AI software that can write for you, can create content for you. And shortly, I'm going to show you how you can write songs. If you're a musician, you can write songs literally using this. And you just need to do just a little bit of editing, but you can write songs like Tupac, you can write songs like Rihanna, like Jason Derulo, like Chris Brown, like you can literally, this software can write for you songs. I'll leave the link in the bio if you want to try it, but remember to give me a like, subscribe and share, and let's test it out. Let me show you how I try to use it.
Man, we never fight. You can dance and stay uptight.
You come into your browser, your Google browser, Chrome browser, just type in ChatGPT. Alright, so the website is openai.com. You can see it is this, openai.com, so you can click on that. As you click on that, just scroll down, come to try ChatGPT. Alright, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write for me a song like Tupac. Write a song like Tupac. Okay, so it's starting verse 1. Living life in the fast lane, never looking back, trying to make a change, but the world is on attack. Faced with struggle and pain, but I won't fall in defeat. I'll rise up to the challenge and make my own seat. I'm the voice of the streets, the one they can't silence. I'll keep fighting for justice with my words as violence. I'm Tupac, the rebel, the one who never quits. I'll keep spitting fire till my legacy hits. Wow, this is so dope. Alright, so it gives you the chorus, there's some outro. I'll keep on fighting till the end, until my last breath. I'll live behind a legacy of strength and success. I am Tupac, the legend, the one who stood tall. I'll live on forever through my music for all. Alright, so that is ChatGPT. Amazingly, it has just wrote for me this song, and I can literally just find a good beat and then rap on it, and then we are good to go. Alright, so let's try something else. Write a song like Chris Brown, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, verse 1. I'm living in the fast lane, I'm chasing my dreams, I'm all about the fame, the glitters and the gleam. I've got a rhyme in my feet. I'm Chris Brown, the king of R&B. I'll keep the party going with smooth vocals. I'll take you on a ride with my moves and my flow. I'll keep you dancing till the morning after glow. I've got the fire in my soul, the passion. Let's see, like Chris Brown. I'll keep singing my heart out until I reach fame. I've got the drive and ambition to make it to the top. Oh, I'll keep climbing high until I reach the top. I'm Chris Brown, the king of R&B. Alright, so that is Chris Brown for you. ChatGPT will kill me. Alright, so I'm going to show you another way. Let's try the Rihanna song. And trust me, I don't have the lady's voice, but I'm going to try the Rihanna song. Okay. Write a love song like Rihanna. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay. You're the light in my back, in the dark. You're the light in the dark, the beat in my heart. You're the love that I need, the one that I want. You're the missing piece that completes my whole. I'm yours forever and forever, my heart and my soul. Cause you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you do, I'm so in love with you and I can't get enough. I'll love you forever, like Rihanna does. See, I'm literally now a star in writing songs the way Rihanna could, the way Chris Brown could, just because of AI. Alright, so if you're making research, if you're doing anything, please do this. Okay, use this software and use it wisely. You can literally get some words and rephrase it. It can ease the process, but I think it's a very good software, and you can use it in any way you want. But for me, that is how I can use it to write songs. So if you like, give me a subscribe, like, and share. Crypto with Kabaka TIMO. My channel always put knowledgeable videos, always. All right, see you in part 2, because I'm going to try and show you how you can use this to make money.